Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbodiesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and freshly decaled so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously and comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge here for added security. You can see that better if I lower it right there. And then in the middle you have two cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. Do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 54,001 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your cruise controls with your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, your diesel exhaust fluid gauge and status, and tire pressures. And you can also look at your trip and fuel, your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, and then USB and Bluetooth, I believe. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, and your hazards. And moving down below your screen you have your media controls and then your climate controls, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. And then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt with a USB and a little shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stalk. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, to your center console area, where you have two cup holders with your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside. But then this can be lifted up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage, with two flip out cup holders which can be stored in here too, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. Then last but not least, you do have 6 upfitter switches up here which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.